Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about some other options. So in the last class, we have discussed about the options like the background and the hand, and almost we have covered all the options. So now I'm going to show you that how you can export the video from the VideoScribe, how you can export your whiteboard animation video. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see here, if you want to add your logo, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this, and after that, you need to select your logo. For example, I'm going to select my logo here like this one, and now I'm going to choose this. So as you can see, the logo is inserted here, and after that, as you can see, has an option for the download video. If you want to download the video, or if you want to convert it into a video, then you have to click on the download video, and now you have to check some options like the basic details here, and now you select the format, that in which format you want your video. For example, I'm going to select this file, so let's click on this, and after that you have to select the video size, like the video quality we can say. If you want to increase it, you have to click on this, and if you want to increase it again, you have to click on this, or if you want to increase it more, you can also do that. It's up to you. So I'm gonna select this like the 1080 pixels, and after that, if you want to increase the frame rate, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and now here you have to write the video, like I'm going to write the first, so let's write this, and after that you have to select the location here. If you want the video anywhere else, you can also do that. You have to select the location. For example, I want this on desktop, so let's click on the select folder, and now simply you have to click on the right, and the video exporting will be started. So as you can see, the video is being exported. So in this way you can convert a VideoScribe file into a whiteboard animation video. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.